Hello ma'am, my name is Mark Joseph Stambalo from Block 2F. Ito po ang aking code. Ma'am, kinonect ko po siya sa PHP para sa register and login form. Hindi lang po siya basta HTML, ma'am. Ito po yung pag-connect ko, ma'am. Pangalan, ma'am. Okay, punta pa tayo dito. News, login. Dito po ma'am, magre-register tayo para register. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yung address, yung line na ma'am. Okay ma'am, register yan successful. Pinagin mo tayo dyan ma'am. Joseph. Okay ma'am, login successful. Okay. Ayan po yung dashboard natin ma'am. Punta tayo sa home. This is home page. About. This is about page. Contact. This is contact page. Sample upload. This is sample upload. Settings. Okay ma'am. Tapos mag-logout tayo ma'am. Are you sure you log out? Okay. Yun lang ma'am. Thank you po.